Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Jitsi Meet on Debian 12. First, ensure your Debian knows about the latest available packages. Then, install all available system and security updates. Jitsi requires a fully qualified domain name to work correctly. Now, set the system hostname permanently. Next, update local hostname resolution. Continue to add or update the following lines. Next, verify the hostname. Continue to update packages again. Then, reboot the server. Jitsi requires multiple ports for signaling, media, and NAT traversal. Now, install the uncomplicated firewall. Next, allow the required ports. Continue to enable the firewall and verify the firewall status. Jitsi components require Java to run. Now, install Java 17 runtime. Then, verify Java installation. Next, select Java 17, if multiple versions exist. Next, install GPG for verifying package signatures. Then, download and store the Jitsi signing key. Continue to verify the key. Next, add the Jitsi repository. Then, update package lists. Now, run the following to install Jitsi Meet. The self-signed certificate is temporary and suitable for testing or internal use. Now, ensure all Jitsi components load correctly. Next, check the service status. Now, open your browser and go to the following URL. You now have a self-hosted Jitsi Meet server running on Debian 12, ready for private or internal video conferencing.